Hello guys, welcome to Visual Effects Tutorials. Guys, today I teach you how to create elegant slideshow in After Effects. Let's start. Create a new composition. Go to project panel, click in new composition. Composition setting 90-20, frame rate 25, duration I take 3 seconds and call it Matte 1. Hit OK. Then I go to timeline, right click, create a solid. You can use any kind of color that you want. Call it Matte 1. Hit OK. So I create some effects. I go to effects and presets, search by polar coordinates. Double click, apply in this solid and change some settings. Interpolation 100. You can see this is help us like that. So go to type of conversation and select rect to polar. See guys, we get this type animation. Then go to timeline, select solid layer and add keyframe. Click stopwatch and go forward to 30 frame. Keyboard shortcut, press Command Shift and forward arrow. Add a keyframe. Interpolation take 0. Go back. See guys, we get this type animation. So select both keyframe, right click, keyframe assistant is ease. Go to graph editor, select this corner, take handle and drag. Go back and play. See guys, then animate this solid layer, press P for position, hold down shift, press S for scale, press R for rotation. X position I take 616, Y position -13, go to scale, scale I take 120 and go to rotation, rotation I take -29. See guys, I get this type animation. Press U for see only keyframes, then press P, hold on shift and S. Press both stopwatch, scale and position, add keyframe and go forward to 15 frame, add keyframe. Go back, scale I take 50 and set position, drag out in this composition like this. Select all keyframes, right click, ease. Go to graph editor, select both points and drag handle. See guys, we get this type animation. Then I go to project, let's import image file. Go to project window, double click and import image. Then create one more composition, call it image 1. Setting I take 90-20, 1080, frame rate 25, duration 3 seconds. Hit OK. Double click, drag image in this composition. Then creating a new composition, click in new composition. This is my final composition. Let's call it final, 90-20 by 1080, frame rate 25. Select both composition, matte and image and drag in final composition. See guys, and set matte, alpha matte. See guys, we get this type animation. And go to matte composition and go to project, select matte composition, Ctrl D, duplicate, double click, open. Position and scale keyframes select and both keyframes delete. Set position, scale and rotation. This layer matte, press shift P for position, S for scale and rotation. X position I take 1200 49. Y position I take 1115. Scale I take 120. Rotation I take 151. See guys, our mat ready. Then animate this layer. Press stopwatch, add keyframes. Then go to 15 frames. Add a keyframe. Scale I take 50. And set position. See guys. Select both keyframes. Right click easy ease. Go to graph editor. Select points and drag handle. Go back. See guys, I take this type animation. Go to final composition. Drag mat 2 and also drag image composition. Set mat to alpha mat. See guys, I got nice animation. That's simple. And select both layers, mat 1 and image 1, and make a pre-composition. Press Command Shift C for pre-composition. Call it top composition. Hit OK. Then select bottom layers and press Command Shift C. Create a pre-composition. Call it bottom. Hit OK and select both compositions. Press Command D for duplicate. Select top and bottom composition. Then offset 3 frames like this and select bottom top composition. Go to effects and preset, type fill. Double click, apply on this layer and select bottom composition. Also apply fill. Go back and play. See guys, I got this type animation. Select both bottom layers. Press Command D for duplicate. Set it, offset 3 frame and top composition little bit forward and change color. I take white. Next bottom layer I take white. Play and watch. See guys, I got beautiful animation. Then I apply light leaks in this animation and go to project, double click, import light leaks. Drag in this composition and set light leak size according to composition. Right click, transform, select fit to comp. Then blending mode, screen. Light leaks little bit forward. Go back and play. See guys, I got nice and smooth animation. Then I apply some particles. So go to project panel, double click and import particles. Drag in this composition. Blending mode I choose screen. Go back and play. See guys, then I create some text. So right click, new text layer. Type as you want. I type animation. Select text layer and set position. Font I use Marriott Pro. Type I use regular. I think this side. Set position and create some animation. Then go back, offset almost 15 frame, drag forward and press P for position. Press stopwatch, add keyframe. Go forward 20 frame, add key. Go back and set position. Drag out in this composition. See guys, like this. Select both keyframes, right clicks, easy ease. Go to graph editor, select this point and drag out handle. Create a nice graph. Go back and watch. See guys, we get this type animation. Select text layer and drag out under the particles and like clicks and select top composition. Press Command D, duplicate. For text matte, drag and set matte, alpha inverted matte. See guys, I think little bit forward text layer. That's okay. Go back and play. See guys, we can get this type animation. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.